Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can change into ds over dt. dt we put on the right and s we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have t to the power of 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 over 3 plus 1, and we put about c. This one is about 5 over 3. This one we have 5 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.